Effortless style, creating outfits with mix and match cardigans. Effortless style, creating outfits with mix and match cardigans. Cardigans are a versatile wardrobe staple that can be easily mixed and matched with various outfits. They come in an array of colors and styles, ranging from chunky knit to lightweight and flowy. With a little bit of imagination, cardigans can transform a simple outfit into something chic and stylish. Here are some tips on how to create outfits effortlessly with mix and match cardigans. 1. Layering basics. The key to effortless style with mix and match cardigans is to have a foundation of layering basics. These may include solid colored tank tops, camisoles, and long-sleeved tops. The cardigans can be layered over these basics to create texture and depth to the outfit. Choose basic tops that complement the color and style of the cardigan you want to wear. For example, a white tank top looks great under a black cardigan, while a blush-colored long-sleeved shirt complements a beige or neutral cardigan. The fit of the basics should also be considered. A snug-fitting top is ideal for wearing under a bulky, chunky knit cardigan, while a looser-fitting top is better suited for a lightweight, flowy cardigan. 2. Mix patterns and textures. Mixing patterns and textures is a great way to add interest and personality to an outfit. When it comes to cardigans, the possibilities are endless. You can mix a printed cardigan with a solid colored shirt or blouse, or layer a textured cardigan over a silky blouse. When mixing patterns and textures, make sure to choose pieces with complementary colors. If you're wearing a printed cardigan with multiple colors, choose a solid colored shirt or blouse in a shade that's present in the print. If you're wearing a textured cardigan, opt for a smooth fabric like silk or cotton underneath. 3. Belt it. Belting a cardigan is a clever way to cinch in the waist and create a more tailored look. A belt can be worn over a cardigan on top of a pair of jeans or a skirt. It's an easy and effortless way to add shape to an outfit. When choosing a belt, make sure it's proportional to the cardigan and the rest of the outfit. If you're wearing a chunky knit cardigan, choose a wider belt that can handle the thickness of the fabric. On the other hand, if you're wearing a lightweight cardigan, opt for a skinny belt that won't overwhelm the outfit. 4. Dress it up or down. Cardigans are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down, depending on the occasion. Dressing up a cardigan can mean pairing it with a skirt and heels, or dressing it down with a pair of jeans and flats. For a dressier look, choose a cardigan with feminine elements like lace, embroidery, or ruffles. Pair it with a flowy skirt and heels. For a more casual look, opt for a simple, streamlined cardigan and pair it with jeans and flats. 5. Accessorize. Accessories are a great way to add interest and personality to an outfit, and cardigans are no exception. A statement necklace worn over a cardigan can draw attention to the neckline and add a pop of color. Scarves and hats can also be worn with cardigans as an extra layer of warmth and style. When accessorizing with a cardigan, make sure the pieces complement each other. If you're wearing a chunky knit cardigan, opt for a statement necklace that's chunky as well. If you're wearing a lightweight, flowy cardigan, choose delicate jewelry that won't overpower the outfit. 6. Don't forget about the details. The details of a cardigan can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of an outfit. The length of the cardigan can affect the proportion of the outfit, while the buttons or zippers can add visual interest. When choosing a cardigan, pay attention to the details. A longer cardigan can create a streamlined look when worn with skinny jeans or leggings, while a shorter cardigan can highlight the waist when belted over a dress or skirt. Buttons and zippers can add a modern touch to a cardigan and elevate the overall look. 7. Experiment with different lengths. Cardigans come in different lengths, from crop to knee length, and each length offers a different look and style. Experiment with different lengths to find what works best for your body type and personal style.